Welcome you all, children of grade 5, for our today's English class. In today's session, we are going to discuss our worksheet and I am going to explain you how to write the worksheet, and your worksheet should be sent through Teachment Children. So, let's get into the session. So, look at the video, watch the video carefully and do the given worksheet and send your answers through Teachment.
Children, today we are going to see our worksheet number 5 from the action verbs and the linking verbs. So please listen to the session carefully, children. Understand what is meant by action verbs and then understand what is meant by linking verbs. Then it will be easy for you to work out the worksheet on your own. So first let's know what is meant by action verbs. Children, action verb. Look at the definition here, children. An action verb is a word that shows an action. I'll repeat, children. What is meant by action verb? An action verb is a word that shows an action. For example, crashed, swim, writes, sings, painted. These are all action that we will do, children. Look at the image, children. In this picture, you can see so many action verbs. As I told you, action verbs are the words that shows an action. So see here in the first one, the image is about running. So run is an action. Then clean is an action. Dance is an action. Walk is an action. Cry is an action. Crawl. Crawl means the baby, it doesn't know how to walk. In the beginning stage, the baby will crawl. So that is an action. Then fight is an action. Laugh is an action. Ride, cycling, ride is an action. Listen is an action. Reading, read is an action. Write is an action. Think is an action. Cook is an action. Climb, it is an action. Drink, it is an action. So these are all the examples for action verbs, children. Action verbs are the word that shows an action. Children, I think now you might be clear about what is meant by action verbs. Now let's move on to the next part, that is linking verbs. Look it carefully, children. Children, look at here. Linking verbs. A linking verbs links the subject to a subject complement that identifies or describes the subject. See here, first one, the stew tasted good. Here in the first example, you can see the subject, the stew. Stew means it is a soup like food which it was prepared with the vegetable and meat. So stew is a food which was prepared with vegetable and meat like a soup. So stew tasted good. So here subject is there, then linking verb tasted is there, then subject complement is there. That means good. Complement means the stew good, subject complement. Look at the next example. His name is James. So here is the linking verb. So wherever we will see the subject and subject complement in between a word that connects the two complement and the subject, then it is known as linking verbs, children. Look at the second example. In the second example, his name is subject, is the linking verb, then subject complement, that his. Who is the his here? The name is James. So his name is subject, is a linking verb, and subject complement James is there. So when in a sentence there is a subject or subject complement in between, whatever it comes, it may be an action verb or it may be a linking verb, but it should be called as linking verb only. Okay. So see here children, another example for linking verbs. Linking verbs do not express the action. They connect the subject of the verb to additional information about the subject, that is the complement. Okay. So here is common linking verbs listed. Some common linking words are am, is, are, was, were, appear, become, feel, has been, have been, had been, will be, shall be, grow, look, remain, maybe, might be, can be, should be, would have been, seen, sound, and taste. So these are all common linking verbs, children. Children, let's see another example for linking verbs. Look at the example carefully, children. He is a monster. He is the subject. Who is the monster? He. So it describes a monster, describes the subject. So it is additional information to the subject, so it is known as subject complement. Okay, wherever the additional information given about the subject, that is known as subject complement, children. So a word that connects the subject and subject complement is a linking verb. So here he is a linking verb. He is the subject, is the linking verb, a monster is the subject complement. Next one, see the next example. He looks stunning. So here he looks stunning. Stunning is an additional information about the subject he. So it is known as subject complement. So whatever the subject and subject complements connects, that is known as linking verb. So here he is the subject, looks is the linking verb, stunning is a subject complement, children. So this is known as linking verb. Now let's move on to the worksheet. You have to find out the answer for. So children, this is our worksheet number 5, action verbs and linking verbs. So children, this is our worksheet number 5, children, action verbs and linking verbs. Already I have explained you what is meant by action verb and what is meant by linking verb. So see to the video, understand it, then find out the answer and send your worksheets through Teach Me children. Let's see what is the exercise given here. Circle the verbs that label the type of verbs. So you have to find out the type of verbs. If it is action verb used in the sentence, you need to write A, that was given in the sample one, as first one. So see here, see the first one. The bird ate the worm. Here ate is the action word. So A is given. You have to mention A. If it is a linking verb, you have to mention it as L. Okay. So see here, the definition it was given here nearby. An action verb describes what the subject does. So what the subject is doing, that is an action. But whereas in linking verb, links the subject and the words describe the subject, that is subject complement. So the verb that links the subject and subject complement, that is known as linking verb. So see here, L should be written for linking word and A should be given for action verbs. Okay, so one is done for you, that is the first one. So likewise you have to do the remaining sentences and find out whether it is a linking verb or action verb, and you have to mention letter A or letter L according to the sentence, according to the verb. So look at the second one, my home looks beautiful. So what kind of verb it is used here, you have to mention whether it is A or L in the given blank. Then next one, third one, Michael is a lawyer. Michael is a lawyer. So you have to mention what kind of verb it is used here. Then fourth one, my parents are American. My parents are American. So what type of verb? If it is action verb, you have to give A. If it is linking verb, you have to give L. Likewise, look at the fifth one. The boy and his friends played soccer at recess. The boy and his friends played soccer at recess. That means at the break they are playing soccer. Okay. Then Leslie and Brain bought a car for their daughter. Leslie and Brain bought a car for their daughter. So you have to find out which is the action word. If it is action verb used, you have to mention it as A. If it is linking verb is used, you have to mention it as L. So understand the things and do it accordingly, children. Look at the seventh one. The pizza tastes spicy. The pizza tastes spicy. So mention what verb it is, circle it, and you have to mention it. So you have to circle the verb, which is a verb, and you have to mention what type of verb it is, whether it is action or whether it is linking. So that should be mentioned as, identified as A, differentiated as A and L. So if it is action verb is used, you have to give A. If it is linking verb is used, you have to circle it and you have to mention it as L. So first you have to circle it first, whatever is used, then you have to mention whether it is action verb or linking verb. So look at the eighth one. Alan forgot to shut the door. Alan forgot to shut the door. That is the eighth one. Ninth one. Look at the ninth one. The teacher instructs the students about the rules. The teacher instructs the students about the rules. That is the ninth one. 10th one. My favorite shirt is green and silky. My favorite shirt is green and silky. So you have to find out which is the verb. You have to circle it first. Then you have to mention whether it is action verb or linking verb. Look at the 11th one. The television and the radio are broken. The television and the radio are broken. So you have to find out what verb is used. Okay, children. Then look at the 12th one. Kelly made a cake. Kelly made a cake for Allison's birthday. Kelly made a cake for Allison's birthday. So you have 12 sentences, children. First you need to read the sentence, then find out the verb, circle it, whatever the verb it is, action word or linking verb. Circle the verb, then mention it as A if it is action verb, mention it as L if it is linking verb. So this is what the worksheet for you as action verbs and linking verbs, children, for worksheet number 5 tomorrow. So do it and send your worksheet through Teachment.
So children, do the given worksheet, write it neatly, follow the instruction and send your worksheet through Teachment. So please don't send it in the group, send it through Teachment.